What is up, CCD fans? Welcome to Midway Drags. Today is TDI Diesel Day. Unfortunately, I'm not here with my car. I'll explain that in a later video. But we are out here to film. There is a couple of TDIs here. There should be a couple of fast ones. Let's enjoy the day and see what's out here. Let's see what times the people run, and yeah, let's take it from there. If you guys do enjoy the content, I would appreciate a like, a comment down below. If you can subscribe, or if you can share the video on Facebook with your friends or whatever, that would be highly appreciated. We need all the help we can to grow the channel into a much bigger channel, bigger platform, and that will allow us to take our footage a lot further than what we can at the moment. So I'll appreciate everyone. Stay tuned for some epic racing content. For some reason I kind of forgot that it's going to be a nightmare to see who's in front with all the smoke of all the diesels going down. I will give you guys times, and the times that I'm reading will be left lane first and then the right lane. So I'm going to read them aloud. Left lane first, right lane second. That's how I'll be reading the times. Unless there's a massive difference, of course, and someone sits on the light and only one goes down, then I'll only give you one time. But it should be quite easy. Left lane first, right lane second.
All at once tonight. Kom sterker in lijn, kom eens kijken faciliteit. Linkerbaan erin voor zijn 8 punten. Linkerbaan, slipper, overrijden, kom eens kijken faciliteit.
From what I heard, this is a very fast car. He did a 11 something quarter mile, so I'm keen to see what he'll do on the 200. I don't know him, I don't know the car. I believe he's from KZN side, so let's have a look here.
Heel spin. Nou gaan we finish nou, kom eens kijken. Wat was mijn schoenmaar? Kom eens kijken wat zit ik er. Kijk wat ze niet kijken.
I'm Keith Govender. Together we make Eastside Automotive. Got a few branches in SA and in Namibia, specializing in diesel and petrol. Everything in-house fabrication and a 5-star RMI workshop. So the classic, also known as the banana, name given many moons ago. Basically, there's something, I don't know if he told you, this car, the manifold actually cracked at 11 p.m. last night. I was leaving home going back to the shop because he decided he wanted to fix the car. And look, lucky we came in. It's still not the best that we wanted. I was a bit scared that we might break it, but got a good driver, so it's fine.
Yeah. How long has it been since the car was out for the last time?
Banana's probably been out at the track about 6 years ago.
So it's the first event in 6 years.
First events after 6 years, come a long way. A lot of new things. Look, the motor was built directly by Duncan. So everything on the inside you need to know, he's the guy. It's still a 1.9 though, with rods. Got a cam in. Water mat, unfortunately we couldn't use the water mat today because it was flooding, so it was just the gas and bigger turbo. First time was a 7.42. It was It was protested. However, we backed it up with a 7.3, and the third run of a 7.33. I think that is the track record now.
Wachtlijn het boord, rechter gewoon het boord eraan. Ja, ze zullen het eraan. Lijkt me een goede run. Kom eens kijken wat is hier die tijd. Running 8.15.